Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to get the car sandblasted, we're going to do some body work, and we'll see what else we got going on today. We're gonna Bondo the entire roof now. I think the roof does the wave a little bit.
We can make the roof out
It's
of
fine.
Bondo.
Make the roof out of Bondo?
Hey, we should bring this to a PDR guy. As is.
Hey, can you fix this, man?
Mr. Zeno Bill's doing work over there. The master himself. Mr. Zeno, explain to me what you're doing here.
I am bondoing the, what is this? The C-pillar? Right? Quarter
Yeah.
panel to quarter panel C-pillar.
Yeah, we had a lot of dents we had to fix, and we're kind of filling all those in. Kind of did the wave a little bit on the C-pillar here.
We're using the iPhone.
Yeah.
Hey, let me show you some stuff with it.
He's gonna show me some stuff.
Yes.
I can't like switch my face. How like
You're good.
I'm a Samsung guy.
Excuse me, sir.
Why is this broken?
What are you struggling with?
I was gonna switch it to my face so people could see us, but
Your botch.
well, this is our other project here. We'll be going over later. We got a little Team Z members there. Also beadlocks there. We got a Moser 88 rear end and some other goodies in the back end of the car, but we'll explain about that later. But I don't know if anybody wants a super intercooler or whatever's left of it. Half out turbo. That looks good.
Well, it's good.
Doing the wave.
The drill bit I had. Shit. Now, I'm sanding it.
Bad.
It's all right. Need some more work.
Oh, we're getting there.
In case anything flies.
Man, that looks great.
Well, nice and easy.
There comes the roof.
We're taking a.
I feel like you today.
Yeah, how's it feel?
Not very good.
No?
Yeah, I'll consider. There's a roof. Oh man, look at that. Oh,
Right.
that guy's.
That's our hardener. Oh.
You stepped in the hardener?
Hey, no, look at his foot. Pure evidence.
I didn't do it.
No, look.
What?
Lift up your foot.
What?
Lift up your foot.
Oh.
Yes.
Is that the hardener?
That is the hardener.
I'm harder.
This is why you stepped on it. Paint match. Well, it's brand new. Yeah.
All right, everybody, we ended up getting this mocked up today. We got a bunch of new parts in for the car, so stay tuned for the next video.